How to control location data when sharing photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on folder. So after click on folder, so click on this three dot icon and click on select. So you will select photos from here. So after select photo, click on this share option. So after click on this share option, now here showing you option. So click on option. So after click on option, so first of all turn on include location data. So after turn on include location data, go back and click on Samsung Notes and click on add to notes. So you will see you will increase or decrease size from here. So you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can control location data when sharing photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.